Hey adrenaline enthusiasts, strap in because we're bringing you the wildest chases, insane stunts, and heart-pounding action. It's full speed ahead. Get ready to experience the ultimate thrill. Let's go! In Pasadena, police stopped a suspicious vehicle parked the wrong way on a one-way street. During questioning, the driver suddenly sped off, almost hitting an officer in the process. It was a tense moment that quickly escalated as the officer reacted.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Huh? Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Hold on. No, turn off the car, dude. Stop.
Oh, you're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. 35, hold the air. Got one at gunpoint. He's trying to run me over. Hey, you're gonna get fucking shot, dude. You're gonna get fucking shot. Quit the car. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Go.
Dude. Stop.
Oh, you're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you.
Code 3 back.
Turn off the car.
Okay, run over to officer.
Turn off the car.
Okay, we're gonna be in pursuit. Stand by. Okay, pursuit southbound Hudson, wrong way towards California. He tried to run over a police officer. Okay, he's through the red, southbound California. I'm losing eyesight on him. Let me see if we can get inertia.
This sparked a short pursuit that concluded when the suspect crashed into a yard. He then ran on foot, breaking into two nearby houses. While officers scoured the area, a police helicopter joined the search, ultimately spotting him concealed in a backyard.
Hey, police K9, stop here to get bit! Stop here to get bit! Right here! Clutch! Hey, he's into it. He jumped the backyard, got a dog deployed, no bite. Get on the ground! Let me see your hand!
Police department, get on the ground!
Fast! Bring my dog to me!
Hold on, behind lethal. Let me get
up.
team. Two people.
Despite being confronted by a K9 unit, the suspect pulled out a handgun and refused to comply. Officers discharged their weapons, and although they tried to save him, he ultimately passed away. A firearm was found at the scene, but thankfully, no officers were harmed.
You're gonna die right now.
Drop it!
I will shoot you.
Put it down! Watch my dog, guys! Watch my dog! Stop! He's fired! Let's!
One. Stop. Good.
In Los Angeles, a high-stakes chase unfolded when a suspect driving a stolen Department of Water and Power vehicle led officers on a pursuit. It all started with reports of a reckless driver and escalated quickly when the suspect, later identified as Manuel Ramirez, collided with multiple vehicles and fled onto the 5 freeway. Despite the crashes, Ramirez kept evading police until he eventually exited the freeway and drove into a dead-end business parking lot.
Approaching San Fernando.
All frequency standby, 6936 is in pursuit of a vehicle suspect eastbound to Extraction Cayuga, approaching San Fernando.
Slow down. 6936 southbound 5 freeway, approaching Penrose.
In a desperate attempt to escape, Ramirez barreled through a gate, colliding with 2 police vehicles and hitting an occupied van as officers closed in. He then accelerated toward the officers, which led to an officer-involved shooting. Despite being shot, Ramirez continued driving until he eventually stopped. He refused to surrender and barricaded himself inside the vehicle, prompting a SWAT response. Ultimately, he was taken into custody without any further incident.
Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, he's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way.
He's
going to be facing your way. Officers come up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp. For the officers. He's ramping.
Get that dude out!
Suspect has been changed to the vehicle reversing. He's coming forward. He's ramming the police car. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on. He's coming down the ramp. The officer is ramming.
Hey, get on the fucking ground! Shots fired! Usher needs help! Shots fired! Get on the ground! Get on the... Hey, get on the car! Stop! Hold! Hey, hands up! Hands up!
Ramirez was treated for gunshot wounds and later charged with assault with a deadly weapon against a police officer. 3 officers were injured during the pursuit, 2 at the scene and 1 who required hospitalization. The investigation confirmed that the truck he was driving was indeed stolen. A high-speed chase unfolded on I-275 when a black Dodge Charger was spotted speeding over 110 miles per hour, weaving dangerously through traffic. The driver ignored all attempts to pull him over, pushing speeds past 130 miles per hour and cutting across lanes, even using the shoulder to evade police. Despite the reckless driving, officers maintained visual contact with the vehicle throughout the pursuit.
Get out the car! Get out the car! That's him right there? Get out the fucking car. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased. Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased. 14-5, that's how you want on foot.
The driver and a passenger fled on foot, prompting officers to establish a perimeter. After a thorough search, the driver was discovered hiding in a nearby garbage can and was quickly arrested. The entire incident, from start to finish, was captured on the officer's dash cam.
Crashing, I figured I'd just take him out. Therefore, did you guys catch him? No, he took off. He took off in the passenger as well. 14-5. He also had 2 females that took off. That one in the back seat.
He said they're gonna get you off. Can I talk to my mother? Yeah. You know her number? Yes, sir.